Good morning, children. A very good morning to you. How are you? Hope you are all fine and healthy. Today's science lesson. We are going to start weather and water in hot countries. So you have to open page number 94 in your science course book. Okay. Now see weather and water in hot countries. We are going to understand the changes in the weather. So first we should know what is weather. Okay. For this I will show you something. Weather is the state of atmosphere. Okay. The state of atmosphere. What is atmosphere now? There is a question. Yes. So weather is related to the atmosphere, and atmosphere include the heat of that part, presence of clouds, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain. So these are the factors we have to consider in telling about the atmosphere or the weather of that particular place. So if weather is good, we can go for a walk. Yes? Okay. Now again, we will repeat. These are the 6 factors on which atmosphere is dependent. That is the state of atmosphere. First is heat. Clouds are present or absent. Dryness, sunshine, wind, and rain. So in this way we know these 6 factors are related to know the weather of a country, okay, or a place which we are going to study. Now see, in hot dry countries the weather only changes from season to season. For this, let's come to the text. In hot dry countries, the weather only changes when the seasons change. For example, in the summer, it can be very hot. Like the temperature here in months of June, July, August, you will see it's very hot. About 40 to 50 degrees Celsius in the day and 20 degrees Celsius at the night. It can change, na? Now, in winter, it can be warm like 15 to 20 degrees Celsius in the day and between 5 degrees Celsius and sometimes freezing at the night. So, this is quite different from Muscat, Oman, but usually we'll see these type of conditions in hot countries. The only time it rains, and that's not very often, is in the winter. So in this way, this page is completed. So you are going to read the text. You should know in hot summers the temperature reaches to 40 to 50 degree. And in winters it is 15 to 20. And rainfall is very less. So in this you are going to read this nicely, and you should know the temperature of summer season, the winter season, and also you should know that there is very less rainfall. Okay, this is all about weather and water in hot countries. And also you have to consider these 6 factors which is related to weather, that the heat of that part, number of clouds present means it is cloudy, partially cloudy, whatever. The dryness, if it is very dry or humid, sunshine, wind, and rain. Okay, thanks for listening. Read it nicely and please learn the temperatures also related to summer season, winter season, and about the winter season and about the rainy season. That in hot countries rainy season is very less, or you can say rainfall is very less. Thanks for listening. Bye dears.